Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a kind of get it all done. We're going to be cooking dinner. We are going to be cleaning. We are going to be doing some organizing, some decluttering, and all of that good stuff. So I made a to-do list. We have to clean and tidy Leighton's room. She had a friend over and they made forts and played with Barbies and all of that. So we are going to clean up her room. While her friend was here, I cleaned my closet. So I still have like some remnants of that. You guys will have already seen that video by the time you're seeing this one. I had to just clean up some stuff in the kitchen. Just have like, I washed grapes and stuff like that earlier. I have to put those away. Just kind of some general tidying up. I have at the bottom of the stairs like our coat rack. There's like a bunch of stuff on the ground that's accumulated over there. And then I want to clean out the downstairs coat closet. So just kind of organize it a little bit and maybe use the organizer that I took out of my closet and put it downstairs and see how it works down there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe. And we are making tacos for dinner. So we're going to start with dinner first and then get everything else on our to-do list done.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
What? Holy moly! That was so fast. best.
Told you.
You did such a good job. I love it. Can we just take care of those things maybe under the chair?
Yeah. Didn't even notice that.
And then that pile of stuff right in the corner.
Okay.
Okay? And then you are good to go, ma'am. Maybe if you're feeling it, you can tidy this just a little bit. Who's the best girl?
Me.
That's right. All right, I'm gonna go finish doing the dishes, and then we can. Then you can.
I'm just gonna find some stuff that would.
Yeah, where are all your poppets?
Oh, downstairs.
Oh yeah, grab all your poppets and put them in there. Take your shoes with you. All right.
Grab it.
You're the best.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
All right, so this is everything that I've gotten done so far. We tidied Leighton's room, we vacuumed the house, wiped down the counters, and cleaned up the kitchen and all of that from dinner. And now I'm going to head downstairs and show you the mess that is the bottom of the stairs. I made a bag. I've been going around. I've got some clothes that I had gathered in the garage for donations and all of that. I've got these Amazon boxes that I've got to open up and put away too, but this. It is just such a mess. Like, there are so many coats and so many layers of things on that rack, and it should not be that heavy and that full. So, and then there's Amazon boxes, there's rugs that I bought, there's just so much stuff. So all of this needs to be decluttered and organized, and then I'm going to tackle this disaster. So it's mainly, this is fine, this is all my husband's stuff. It's all this stuff that needs to come out and be organized. So I'm just gonna rip everything out from down here and see what we find, because God knows, all of that is like shoved in there. It's just, it goes back far. So I'm going to try to use the thing that I took from my closet and put that in here. So let's see how that turns out.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away emotions. The first step is always hard when you walk out of the doorway, but that's just the place to start. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you, by you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away. Somehow this is beautiful, yeah. About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be, yeah. Come run away, don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you, by you. I'll stand by you. Now's the time to decide what to do, let's break away.
All right, so look how much better this looks. There's nothing here. I need to get the vacuum upstairs and vacuum. But we now have everything organized. All the jackets are in here. Everything. There's the only thing that's back there, like the kids' little suitcases and like overnight bags. And like their tents and sleeping bags and stuff, because they set up that stuff all the time. But all their hats and gloves and extra stuff is all put away. My hat and all that stuff, all extra, like backpacks and hiking stuff and like travel bags and all of that is now in there and organized. Anyone else's kids just like straight up pigs? Like Austin got changed down here for football, but like you couldn't even throw your goldfish wrappers away? Like, come on.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line.
Like I said, I had cleaned out our closet. So that is doing well and nice and organized. Love it. So my room is just kind of a mess. All of this stuff needs to go up in the attic. It's like summer dresses and things like that. Pair of pants I'm going to return. A sweatshirt needs to get put away. I need to vacuum in here and then fold that laundry.
Something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
All right, so that is it for this kind of get it all done, cook, clean, organize, declutter, all of that. I got rid of a huge trash bag full of donations, full of like old backpacks and lunch boxes and coats that were too small and gloves and hats and random clothes and all of that. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna bring that to the donation bin tomorrow. And one last thing that is sitting in my garage taking up space. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these kind of videos. If you do, consider subscribing and I will see you guys next time. Bye.